You gonna put some things in your basket?
And I want to say happy Easter to Carson.
Good girl.
Look, I do it with my
Very good, Carson. Evan, can you give her a big hug and a kiss?
Easter, Carson.
Give her a big hug.
Happy Easter. Happy Easter, Carson.
Evan, that is so sweet. Say hi. Evan, can you say hi into the camera? Can you say hi, Gillian?
Hi, Gillian.
Say hi, Uncle DJ.
Hi, Uncle DJ.
You say hi, Papa.
Hi, Papa.
Way to go. Carson, you got some glasses?